Yes, good morning, children. I hope you all are well. So, continue our chapter number 7, Glory of Trees. Okay, so today our topic is Chipko Andolan, Chipko movement. The Chipko movement. The Chipko Andolan was a forest conservation movement in India. It begins in 1973 at Garhwal district in Uttarakhand. The villagers, in the leadership of Mr. Sundarlal Bahuna, hugged the trees and prevented the contractors from the cutting them. Okay, and Sundarlal Bahuna was a great environmentalist, a great leader. Then Bhavna asks, why did people do so? People ऐसा क्यों करते हैं, पेड़ों को कट क्यों करते हैं? मदर से people sacrifice their lives to save trees because tree give us many things: fruits, flowers, grains, vegetables, wood, medicines and oxygen. भावना, it means people sacrifice themselves to save trees. क्या people अब पेड़ों को बचाने के लिए बलिदान भी देते हैं? See, you see, the Chipko movement went on to become a rolling point for various future environmental programs all over the world. This movement stirred up the existing civil society in India, which began to address the issue of tribal and marginalized people. Then our next topic is this question we do in the notebook. Then forest wealth conservation. Forest wealth conservation. The Asian tradition of Rajasthan, जो प्राचीन समय से चला आ रहा है कि रिवाज of Rajasthan. So we start this topic. After visiting the fair, next day Bhavya and Sanjay discuss about the fair in their classroom. Bhavya, I felt excited after visiting the fair of our folk deity. Folk means लोग जो देवी देवता होते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है. I saw a big pasture land on Oran near the fair compound. और मैंने वहाँ पे देखा कि बहुत सारा मैदान है चरा घास चराने का. Oran है, तो what is the meaning of Oran? What is pasture land and Oran? Sanjay asked. तो भैया, what Bhavya say? I have seen many trees, bushes and cultivated land. From the trees and bushes here, it seems that people do not use access to cut them here. तो भव्या क्या बोल रही, मैंने देखा है कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ट्री हैं, झाड़ियाँ हैं और बहुत सारा अनकल्टिवेटेड बिना जुताई का लैंड भी रखा है. तो इसका मतलब वहाँ पे लोग पेड़ों को कट नहीं करते हैं. संजय, हाउ डिड यू गेट ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन? आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिली? भव्या, इन माई विलेज पीपल डू नॉट वुड फ्रॉम दिस टाइप ऑफ लैंड. दे डू नॉट कट वुड फ्रॉम दिस टाइप ऑफ लैंड. हमारे गांव में जब ऐसा एरिया होता है ओरन पोस्टल लैंड, वहाँ पे लोग लकड़ी नहीं काटते हैं. लेट अस नो अबाउट मोर अबाउट दिस फ्रॉम आवर टीचर. सो संजय सर, प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट पोस्टल लैंड एंड ओरन. तो टीचर स्टार्ट होते हैं. सो the Orans of Bisnois in the desert district of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, are the famous for the protection of wildlife. So what is the meaning of Oran? Oran is a patch of forest, land preserved and dedicated to deity or village god and goddesses. So see here also, our state has age-old tradition of conserving the forest. People conserve the land around their village in the name of folk deity, sons or great men. Such land is called Oran. Sir, people do not cut wood from such land? Yes, they do not cut wood, as these people are aware about environmental conservation. The pasture land and Oran also remain preserved. Sanjay sir, the villager also talk about government laws regarding such type of land. क्या villager ने government से बात की? Yes, Sanjay, you are right. Feeling the need of making people aware about the importance of environment protection, the Rajasthan government has formed laws and conserved such land. Sanjay, sir, due to respect of local people for environment conservation and due to information of laws means kanun by the government, Oran, Gocha and pasture land have been protected. This way, forests of Rajasthan are being conserved through various traditions and law. The next topic is, on your birthday or New Year or any particular day which is important for you, plant a sapling in the name of your ancestors. Take resolutions to take complete care of it. अभी कोई बर्थडे आ रहा है, कोई स्पेशल डे है, तो आपको क्या करना है? प्लांट को ग्रो करना है. This way we all together can protect tree. And you see one Mahotsav also is there, one Mahotsav. In the month of July, first week, we celebrate one Mahotsav. And so save the tree. Next topic we read in next video. Bye bye.